Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 5th of April. And first of all, national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met his Swedish counterpart Magdalena Andersson in Copenhagen Wednesday. Cheer for ex defense personnel pending pension to be disbursed Wednesday. Indigo on Wednesday launched an exclusive fare category called Super 6E that will provide special services. Delhi is staring at severe water crisis, sends SOS to Haryana as Yamuna dries. South Delhi civic body begin first phase of anti-encroachment drive and will continue till May 13. Supreme Court denied bail to Daud Ibrahim's nephew in extortion case. And now some international news. The Turkish woman Rumeysa Gelgi has been named the world's tallest woman by Guinness World Records, has now broken 3 additional records. Nepal airport terminal vacated after phone call warned of suspect object. Russia said it damaged Ukraine railway stations used for weapons delivery. IBM chief Arvind Krishna elected to board of directors of Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Sri Lanka crisis. Public anger has sparked sustained protests demanding the government resign. Now some sports news. BCCI bans journalists for 2 years for intimidating Iman Saha. IPL 2022. Dhoni is 6 runs away from joining the 6,000 run club in T20 cricket as captain, second only to Kohli. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.